Hey, my name is Hayden Hughes. This is my wife, Nikki, and we are the hosts of the Journey More Cabin in the Smokies in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. And today we're going to be giving you a tour of this beautiful cabin.
Yes, and as you can see today, it is a winter wonderland. So let's show you around.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
Through the front door, you will walk into our cozy downstairs living room that is open to the kitchen and dining area. We have a nice flat screen TV, and then we have a pull-out couch here with a queen bed in it, and then our Journey More Cabin's guest book. One thing that we and our guests love about this cabin is the tongue groove paneling all throughout, which we'll see a lot more of in the upstairs. And to the right is the hallway to the bedroom and bathroom. And then we've got our laundry room, our eating area, and then a spacious kitchen with everything you need for the best home-cooked meals, and then some complimentary coffee as well. Now, coming down the hallway to our bedroom, it is a queen bed with a nice bear theme to really make you feel like you're in the mountains. This room does have a tiered ceiling that makes you feel a bit like royalty. We've got plenty of storage space in the drawers, along with a Roku TV for those late night movies. Behind the door is the closet with plenty of space, extra blankets and pillows, as well as a baby bumper pillow. Now let's come out to the bathroom. It's everything you'll need with a shower and tub combo. Then we will head upstairs. One thing to note is we have plenty of blankets throughout the cabin. My wife is cold 90% of the time, so we wanted to make sure our guests are very well taken care of. Now for everyone's favorite part, the beautiful upstairs. We've got a seating area in front of our dartboard here for plenty of fun. Then coming to our living room, plenty of space to sit, relax, lay down. All of these are recliners. Very nice, very comfortable, and then a 70-inch TV for the big game or any movies that you're wanting to watch, and then a game cabinet there as well. Then let's come out to the front porch. It's got lots of space with some lighting. Then coming back in, we do have a mini fridge upstairs so you can store food and drink. And then coming into the bedroom here, it is a beautiful bedroom, again with that bear theme. It is a king bed, and it is very, very comfortable. We have our guests comment on that. And then just a beautiful view of those woods out front and that seclusion. And then a very nice spacious closet, just what you'll need when staying with us. And then we do have some drawers in the cabinet here, and then a Roku TV. And let's come to the bathroom. It is nice and spacious. One of the really cool things about this is the jacuzzi tub, and then a walk-in shower. And then we do have some storage with some things that you may need for your stay here. Now let's go on outside. The backyard is a hit with all of our guests. They love the large space, especially if they have kids or if they bring their dogs. It's a great space for them to be able to run around and play and have a good time. This is a second driveway to our house. So one great thing about our cabin is being able to drive right up to the second floor, and then going down our paved drive over here, being able to drive right to the first floor as well. Then we've got our fire pit area on the patio. It's a wood burning fire pit with some nice chairs and lights. And you can get here also from the first floor if you come out the side door. And we do have a charcoal grill here as well. That's pretty much the tour of our cabin. That's, I think, everything.
Yes! We so hope that you enjoyed this tour and liked getting to see everything about our cabin. If you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments below and we'll answer them there, or just shoot us a message. We try to respond fairly quickly to help you guys out with everything that we have.
Yeah, those of you who are considering staying, come stay with us. We'd love for people to come stay. We're on Airbnb and we're working on putting it on our website, journeymore.com, so that way you can book directly with us. But I think that's it.
Yes, so we can't wait to see you on your next stay. We hope that you choose us as your host.